Hi guys, I am Bahadır. I will try to explain how can you use UnityEvent. UnityEvent is a Unity class that is used to represent a series of events or functions that can be triggered when an event occurs. For example, you can use a UnityEvent to trigger a series of predefined functions or delegates. When a button is clicked or when an object collides with something, the UnityEvent is used to hold the function or delegates that will be executed when an event is triggered. The UnityEvent can be defined in the Unity editor using in the inspector. It can define a function or delegate object that has one or more arguments of a specific type. These arguments are passed to function or delegate when the UnityEvent is triggered. UnityEvent is similar to C# events or delegate. However, UnityEvent provides a graphical interface that is easier and faster to use in the Unity editor. Let's start writing code. Create new script. Add event tutorial. Define the Unity event that needs to be triggered. Trigger the Unity event after the click left mouse button. Write the update method. This input octa get mouse button down left button my events invoke. Okay. Add new object on my screen. Listener. Add component. Add event tutorial. What do you want after triggered by events? Add listener. Example. Create a new cube object and drag and drop this my event. Game object. Set active false. Click play button and try this. Click the left mouse button and destroy. Sorry, it's not destroy. It's set active false. This will look good. Thanks for watching.